What's going on, guys? Resilient Trading Group here, coming at you with another video. Today is a bit of a different video. We're going to be telling you which are the best Forex pairs for you guys to be trading. Now, this isn't the same for everyone, but these are our 3 best Forex trading pairs that we like to trade and a reasoning as to why. So let's get into it. We like to stick to 3 pairs. Now, the reason that is that it means you can really analyze each and every single currency pair to your standards, because you can't, in your watch list, you can't analyze all 30 currency pairs. You need to have 3 of your favorite currency pairs. Now, for us, this is gold, first the US dollar, pound yen, and GBP AUD. So I'll get into all of them right away. So gold versus US dollar. Now, the reason we like to trade this is because they say in Forex, if you can trade gold, then you can trade any currency pair, in which I sort of believe, but I don't believe. But the reason we like to trade it so much is just because how volatile it is and how much it respects key levels. And it just comes down to your fundamentals and technicals being on point. Now, if you look at this pair, it rejects the 1610 level, rejects the 1630 level. If you're a scalp trader, that is brilliant for you. If you like to trade in trends, as you can see here, beautiful downtrend, you can always trade it. The support and resistance on this pair is just, look, you can just tell support down here. And this is how we like to trade. We don't like to overcomplicate things. We like it to keep it very simple, very technical. All you need to do is look out for key levels like the 1560 level, the 1560 level again. Down here, huge support. We was trading this for at least, I think, a couple of days back in March, and it was just beautiful. Look at that, rejecting. It was never going below the 1400 level, and we all knew that in the team. And it's just here, we was just waiting for a break out of the box, straight down. Look at that, bearish candle straight down, and that's a couple hundred pips right there. More recently, we took a trade earlier on today. It was respecting this trend line in the uptrend, broke out of all our resistance, support and resistance there from back then, draw trend line, and it just broke it straight away and just about hit our take profit, which we based off these 4 candles here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's why we like to trade gold. It's very volatile, it respects key levels, it's mainly US dollar dependent. So if Donald Trump speaks and it's bad, you know it's going to move. So you need to be keeping up to date with the economic charts, knowing when ISM non-manufacturing is coming out, when Donald Trump is speaking. You need to be looking out for key events, especially non-farm payroll. Initial jobless claims always comes out every Thursday. As you can see, there's a lot more jobs in America. A lot less jobs, I apologise. It's nearly 2 million now that are unemployed. So that's why we like to trade gold. Support and resistance is a must. Your trend lines is a must. Drawing these little boxes are a must. As you can see here, very easy to trade. Support, resistance, breakouts, and also trend lines. So that's gold. If we go into the pound yen, this is one of the most volatile currency pairings. Now, this is just a joke. So on the 18th of March, it's moved over 500 pips on the wick. It's absolutely ridiculous, this currency pairing, but again, the reason we like to trade this is just due to trends. It follows trends. There's been this huge downtrend all the way since February, just starting to gain some momentum now going into a bit of consolidation. But again, this pair is beautiful to trade. It respects key levels. It's so volatile. If you'll pinpoint accurate for entries, you can catch great movements on this pair. Again, look, if we was just to analyse here very quickly, you got your support, you got your resistance, you've also got your little resistances which are in around there. And look, you can be catching over 70 pips just on the day trade, just on the scalp. Look at that. That is incredible, and this is why we like to trade these pairs. We don't like to diversify that much and go out to these wild, wacky pairs, because you really need to look at the pair and not just look at it on the 4-hour chart. You need to know when to get the best entry on the 15-minute time frame. Really look into the pair. Really look out for these key movements here and be like, look, we can wait for an entry here. Why buy it there when we can buy it there. Have a bit of patience. Wait for the currency pairing just to play out. There's no point trying to force it and wait for it to go up or anything. Just let it play out. And this is why we like to trade it, because the trends, the trend lines, support and resistance, and it's mainly based off pound news, which we keep up to date with, especially living in the UK. So that's the first two, both very volatile, respects trends, creates trends, and support resistance. And then the third, is pound ord. Now the reason we like to trade this is for the exact same reason. It is just so easy. Right now it's been respecting 0.2 level. It's just broke at the moment. We took a long and it just hit take profit a couple hours ago, 200 pips. Now the reason we took this long was actually due to the fact of a break of the box. We entered on the resistance, it broke resistance, so we entered, respected the trend line, got in on the wick, take profit straight away. Absolutely beautiful trend and trade, sorry, I must say, for this one. But look, we was just trading in that box for a long time. It was respecting 2.020, and it was all respecting the 1.98 level. We was trading that for a long time, just taking shorts and long. But as you can see, this pair is also very volatile. We like the pound. We feel like the pound is the strongest pair for us to actually trade as a business and a company. And again, what I would say is pick 3 pairs, really analyze them, really get to grips with them, and just have a feel for them. Really analyze it. Go into the smaller time frames, go into the larger time frames. Really pick apart the currency pairing. Don't just look at it for a face value on the 4-hour chart, and really get to understand it. Choose 3 pairs, analyze it, study them. Also look at the fundamentals. Also take into account the technical analysis. And yeah, that's all we can really say, guys. Our best 3 is gold, pound yen, and GA, pound ord. Choose 3, analyze them, study them, and then just stick to them. They will be your bread and butter. And then you can start to diverse and go into other currency pairs. But have 3, have a best 3, and just trade them. So yeah, that's from us today, guys. Make sure staying safe, keeping clean, and I'll see you in another video.